Do you need a fast and professional way to inspect vehicles in your business? If your answer is yes, then this Editable Vehicle Inspection Checklist may be exactly what you need. In this video, I will show you what comes inside this checklist package and how it can help you improve safety, organization, and control in your daily vehicle inspections. If you want to get this template, just click the link in the video description. So let's get started. When you download this product, you will get 6 different inspection checklist templates, fully editable and ready to use in Microsoft Excel, Canva, or printed on paper. This means you can customize everything, add your logo, change the items, and adapt the layout to your business. Each checklist is a one-page document with everything you need for a complete and reliable inspection. You will find a space for a company logo, vehicle and driver information, odometer reading, fuel level, entry at exit date and time, a list of 40 plus items to mark the condition of the vehicle, including documents, lights, tires, bodywork, and more. Selections for photos of all main angles of the vehicle, perfect for recording scratches, dents, or damage, and a note selection for additional observations. This structure is ideal for rental companies, workshops, transportation business, and any operation that need accurate vehicle control. This package includes 6 specialized versions, one for each type of vehicle: car, SUV, 4x4, van, truck, and motorcycle. Each version has the same professional structure, but with some items adapted to a specific type of vehicle. You can use the Excel or Canva. Both are fully editable and professional. So this is the Editable Vehicle Inspection Checklist package. A simple, complete, and highly useful solution for safer and more organized vehicle inspections. If you want to get this template, just click the link in the video description. Thanks for watching and see you next time.